Is it going towards you?
No.
What way is it going?
Towards me?
Is it gonna step on you? There's nothing up there.
Yeah, there's a dinosaur right there.
No, there isn't.
No? Daddy, it's the dinosaur standing up.
There is no dinosaur.
Yeah.
No, there isn't.
Daddy, it's right there.
No, it isn't.
Yeah?
There is no dinosaur.
It's gonna hit me.
There is no dinosaur.
Yeah? Gotta go
No,
towards it.
there is no dinosaur.
But can I have another time?
Wake up, Evan.
You see the dinosaur, Evan?
He's a baby. Were you scared of Karen? He is scared.
Evan, I won't come towards you. Or just like you in the face.
Oh, it's gonna step on me. Okay, I'll stand up.
Oh, it's gonna step on you again.
Daddy! Daddy, I want the turtles again. Daddy, I want the turtles again. Sit right there.
There's a big dinosaur laying down. Do you see it?
Is it jumping?
Do you see the dinosaur now? It's getting up.
I do not like it.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
It's gonna come towards you and jump. Are you scared? You can't move.
Daddy, take it off.
It's okay, baby.